here we go with the startup of two of my Supras anyway. One with a rod knock. One with a rod knock. They both have 7Ms, roughly modified the same, except one has a rod knock and the other one doesn't. So let's start the cars. Let's walk over, see what's up. Start up. Ouch. Start the car. Sounds like hell, I know. And this is the way the motor was sold to me. You've all heard it running in previous tests. So that's one. Now let's start up the black car. Black car started. Purrs. You don't even hear it actually. So I'm going to go in really, really close so you can hear it. Guys can all hear. I mean, it's purring nice. Idle's off real smooth. Real smooth too, I mean. Idle's up real smooth. Like. Now this is my other one. Off idle. No noise. Mad noise. No. It's got enough way to fucking destroy the blow off. But you guys get the drift of how it's supposed to be running. Like a church mouse. We can obviously see, I'm gonna try to stand back some, the two motors. You can obviously tell which one's the loud one, the one that obviously has something wrong with it. So, quiet. Not quiet. I mean, like, not quiet at all. So, I'd like you guys to tell me, what do you think is wrong with the motor? Now, let me give you guys a little bit of history. The motor's allegedly 30 over, and I've seen that it has Arius pistons in it that are 30 over. So I've seen that. But the member I bought this from on the forum telling me that there's nothing wrong with the motor. The motor was purchased in April. It was installed in May. And as soon as I found out it had a knock, I asked the member on the forum, he's on Super Forums by the way, to just come listen to the motor with me so we can figure out what's wrong, because I'm into this motor $1,500 for a long block. All the other accessories are mine. So I asked him, just come listen to the motor so we can work something out. Like two grown men should be able to work a problem out. The member tells me that he's working 2 jobs and he doesn't have time to come and listen to the motor that he sold me. Now, I don't know if you guys think this is good business practice. I don't know if you guys think this is good business practice to sell another member on the forums broken motor, but I don't travel like that. You know, I try to treat each other, you know, everybody as fair as possible, because, you know, we all in this super game together. And all I want is, by the way, that's my other, it's my 1J car. It's another one of my projects. That's, you know, it's a little something I got going on. Little bit. Little something. Gotta see the divorce. This is divorce. It's got a couple other extras in it. Goodies, quiet goodies. But, you know, like I said, the motor's running atrociously, and all I asked was the member on the forum to just be square with me and work something out with me on a motor that he sold me. Because as of right now, I don't have my car, I can't drive it, and I'm stuck. So I just want this problem fixed, actually. And, you know, like I said, I wasn't asking for anything monetarily, even though I paid you monetarily. But I understand how this game is. So I'm negotiable. And all I asked was that you just make it square with me. And that you go, look, I see this, this, and that. Listen, I'll give you something in this exchange. And, you know, and we stay on good terms. And that's how it should be on the forum. And that's what the whole reason that the forum was created, so that we all can stay in good terms with each other and help each other out when it's needed. So, by the way, if y'all wondering what that GE motor's on the floor for, I got another Super that motor's going directly into. So, 0 miles on the rebuild, real nice, real clean. Hey, cost for sale too, let me know. 91 sunroof, non-turbo. I think it's got like 199 on the clock, but if you look under the car, it's absolutely clean. So, thank you guys for listening. You know, like I said, I appreciate anything you guys give me. Oh, it's not for me. Oops. I appreciate anything you guys could do. You know, I appreciate the comments. And like I said, you tell me if I'm wrong, that you don't hear a rod knock, because I hear a rod knock. And I definitely know that when I took apart the bottom end of the motor, that the bearing cap was loose. And I know that for a fact, that the bearing was loose. And I said, you know what, maybe I'm wrong. And I said, let me give the member the benefit of the doubt, because he told me that the car was running perfect and there was nothing, the motor was running perfect and there's nothing wrong with it. So here I am now with the motor that doesn't run, and I can't use my car. By the way, yes, it is a teal blue 91. That's not the other color blue, it's actually teal blue. So thank you guys for listening. You know, to the member, I hope that we can square this problem away, because I would like this problem squared away where there's no bad blood between us. And like I said, I'm not asking you for anything monetarily back, but you can give me back something in exchange for the motor. Because I can't even say I can go on, you know, the time I've wasted with this. And I know that I'm not wrong. So, you know, just be square with a brother. I'm not asking you for nothing crazy. I'm asking you to give me back the exact amount of value in parts of what I paid you in cash. And I don't think that's unfair at all. So, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is actually my problem right here, but it's okay, it'll be taken care of. And here we go. So, guys, have a good day. Thank you for listening. And, see you soon. I'll let you know what happens with another video response. By the way, this is 70 Dreams on the forum if y'all trying to figure out who I am. 70 Dreams. I'm the guy that's got the Masonic plaque as his avatar. So hit me up. I got parts. Let me know. I'm moving fairly cheap. I don't try to break nobody's neck open, because I know we all after the same thing. So if you need something, just let me know. I'm real easy and I'm here. So give me a shout. Thanks and have a good day.